In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on captions in Canva. Whether you're creating visual content or designing your next big project, captions can play a crucial role in making your work accessible to a wider audience, including those who might be hard of hearing. It's a relatively simple process, so let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Canva homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. As you explore Canva's many tools, you'll notice there is a settings area that can help you customize your user experience. This is where we'll head first. Look for the settings icon, which usually resembles a small gear. It's pretty easy to spot, generally located near your profile picture on the top right corner of your screen. Once you find it, go ahead and give it a click. This will direct you to a new page filled with various options to tailor Canva to your preferences. The next area we want to visit within these settings is accessibility. Accessibility features are designed to make applications more user-friendly for everyone, but especially for those with specific needs or preferences. You'll see accessibility in the menu. Click on this to proceed. You should now find yourself on a page dedicated to accessibility options, which may include several useful features. What we're looking for here is the option labeled Captions. This feature is typically turned off by default. To enable it, simply click on Captions. Once you do, Canva will save your preference and captions should now be turned on for relevant content within your design workspace. By activating captions, you've taken a significant step toward making your content more inclusive and accessible. Captions will provide visual text that accompanies any spoken dialogue in your videos, helping those who rely on reading over listening. Now, anyone viewing your content via Canva can read along with any dialogue, ensuring that your message is communicated clearly and effectively. Remember, using captions isn't just about utility, it's about ensuring your audience feels seen and heard. In today's diverse world, accessibility is key, and Canva makes it simple for creators like us to enhance the accessibility of the content we produce. If you ever need to turn off captions or adjust other settings, just follow these steps in reverse. Revisiting the settings icon will always bring you back to the heart of these customizable features. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your Canva experience even richer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.